Hi everyone, this is Pete from Tulip. So here at Tulip, we've been talking a lot about how we can help contribute to the healthcare workers and everyone who's fighting COVID-19 around the world. And there's a lot of different initiatives that we're working on, and people are coming up with some really amazing things. Here's a small thing that we came up with today that we believe could help the need that exists in a lot of people's communities. Our team was talking, and one of the things that we used to take for granted was things like going to the grocery store or something along those lines. And now you are worried about if you should go to that store because you might end up waiting in line. And then when you get there, you find people who might be watching the door to make sure that the current occupancy level is not exceeded within the store. So this app is designed to replace the person having to stand out in front of the door, but also give people some visibility into what the store might be at for capacity before they make their trip to the store. So let me explain it, and then I can go into some of the details afterwards. So here we have an app, and the way this would work is it would sit at a door, an entrance or an exit door. And right now I have this brake beam sensor hooked up. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a little sensor plugged into our gateway. We're looking at ways to connect directly to a tablet, so this is easier to scale in the time of need that we have right now. So as you can see, as this thing is going around and counting basically people walking through the door, the capacity is going up on the screen. It also has this message that is being saved to Tulip in the back end. And in Tulip, there is this dashboard that if you're a company that's using this, you could share this on Twitter or somewhere to basically broadcast to your customers what the current level of capacity is for your business. So if you wanted to check before you drove to the store, you could come, you can see that this store is currently at 11% capacity and it's a good time to visit. If I went back to the app and I started to count again, and see as things start to go up here. I'm just waving my hand in front of this app right now, and we're going to go over the threshold. Now we're starting to get busy. And if this will start to update within a few seconds, as you can just see. And then as this continues to go, we could get to a threshold that is where we're starting to recommend people to stay home until the surge reduces. So it's a really effective way to communicate this, and what's great about it is it's simple and it's easy to deploy. In the settings, we can define, your building's size. So if we had 10,000 square feet, we could check that with a minimum distance of 6 feet in between people and calculate that we should have a limit of 353 people inside at any given time. If I went back down to 1,000, 35 people inside at any given time. We could have a message to display directly to the people who are maybe at the building waiting in line to tell them to hold off before walking inside. And this can be for, like we were looking at a second ago, either at the entrance or the exit. So if I went back and I changed this to the exit door, as people leave, the capacity goes back down. And that's the app. So if you're interested in how you might be able to deploy that to help out a situation you might be facing, then we're here to help. So please reach out and let us know what we can do. And we're going to be trying to put this into use in the field so that we can avoid everyone rushing to the store at the same time and practice good social distancing. So thank you. My name is Pete, and good luck out there.